What makes a steel bar special? Is it the quality of the metal, the precision of its manufacturing, or its unique properties? Today, we'll answer all those questions and more as we explore 11L17 steel. 11L17 steel is a low-carbon steel alloy that contains both lead and sulfur as a free machining additive. The result is a material that's highly machinable and easy to work with, making it a popular choice for manufacturers across a variety of industry. 11L17 steel bars are used in a wide range of applications, from shafts and pins to bushings and couplings. They're also commonly used in the manufacturing of precision parts and components, where tight tolerances and exacting specifications are essential. As one of the leading 11L17 steel suppliers, we at Forte Precision Metals take great pride in our ability to deliver high-quality, precision-ground 11L17 steel bars to our customer. Our centerless grinding service ensures that every bar we produce meets the strictest tolerances and specifications. Whether you're in the aerospace, automotive, or medical industry, 11L17 steel can help you create the precise components you need to succeed. For more information on 11L17 steel and our precision grinding services, visit our website at fortemetals.com.